सहर्षं स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं सप्तमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तकस्य समक्षम् उपविष्टाः स्मः। सप्तमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तकस्य पाठाः एवं सन्ति। अस्माभिः पूर्वतने पाठे स्वावलम्बनम् इति पाठः पठितः आसीत्। अद्य वयं पंडिता रमाबाई इति पाठं पठामः। पाठानुक्रमणिका एवं अस्ति। प्रथमं सुभाषितानि, तदनन्तरं दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति, स्वावलम्बनं, हास्यबालकविसम्मेलनम् इति पाठः अस्ति। यद्यपि केचन अवदन् हास्यबालकविसम्मेलनं केवलम् अध्ययनार्थं न तु परीक्षाकृते इत्यस्मात् मया अनन्तरपाठः स्वीकृतः अस्ति। पंडिता रमाबाई इति पाठः। यदि वयं पंडिता रमाबाई एषा अस्ति भारतस्य एका प्रसिद्धा महिला अस्ति। पंडिता रमाबाई, पंडिता रमाबाई यदि वयं शृणुमः, पंडिता सर्वदा विद्वान् अथवा पंडितः इत्येव वयं शृण्मः। एषा प्रथमा महिला अस्ति या पंडिता अथवा सरस्वती इति विभूषिता अभवत्। एतस्याः गाथा अतीव विशिष्टा अस्ति। यदि सर्वेषां गृहेषु पश्यामः, सर्वेषां गृहेषु अस्माकं पितरः मातरः अपेक्षया अधिकमेव अधीतवन्तः। If you see, even in the modern society, that most of our fathers are more educated than our mothers. Again, if you go to back one of the generation, then you may be knowing your grandparents. Among them, if your father is a postgraduate and mother is a graduate, you can see that your grandfather was a just graduate and grandmother was just having the schooling. If you go for the four grandfathers, then most of our answers will come. My grandfather studied 5th standard or 10th. My grandmother studied nothing. She had no schooling. It is the story of just 100 years back. Imagine in the 17th century, 18th century, what was the condition? In such a condition, the lady who supported the women education is Pandita Ramabai. Today we are going to learn about Pandita Ramabai and her contribution and about her life. Her life is a great message to the women education. So, we all the people should be very grateful to the Pandita Ramabai. Today we are going to start lesson on Pandita Ramabai. Panchamaha Pathaha Pandita Ramabai. Ramabai Samskrita Vaidushyena पंडिता सरस्वती इति उपाधिभ्याम विभूषिता. Pandita Ramabai was very famous because of her scholarly knowledge in Sanskrit. Because of that, people honored her as Pandita and Saraswati. अष्टपञ्चाशत् अधिक अष्टादशतमे क्रिस्ताब्दे जन्म अलभता. You have to learn how to read these years in Sanskrit. So you have to go from the back. 1858, you study from left to right. Now in Sanskrit we will go from right to left. अष्टपञ्चाशत् अधिक अष्टादशतमे क्रिस्ताब्दे जन्म अलभता. She was born in 1858. तस्याः पिता अनंत शास्त्री डोंगरे माता च लक्ष्मीबाई आस्ताम. Her father was Ananta Shastri Dongre. Mother was Lakshmi Bai. Tasmin kale स्त्री शिक्षायाः स्थितिः चिंतनीया आसीत्. In those days there was a pathetic condition of women education. Women were not treated properly. Everywhere women were ill treated. There was no honor to them. In such a situation, Pandita Ramabai was educated. Strinam krute Samskrita shikshanam prayaha prachalitam nasit. There was no education to the women. Even then, especially Sanskrit education was not at all available. Sanskrit studying was a feel of honor. It was just like symbol of greatness. Somebody studying Sanskrit means people used to think that he is extraordinary and he was so great. But this advantage was not given to the women. Kintu Panditaha Ananta Shastri Dongre Rudibaddham Dharanam Parityajya Swapatnim Samskritam Adhyapayat. But Ananta Shastri Dongre, the father of Pandita Ramabai, this practice Rudibaddham Dharanam, he has changed his mind. Rudibaddha, it was the practice that the education, the Sanskrit was not taught to the women. Ananta Shastri Dongre has changed this attitude. Parityajya, he left this practice and Swapatnim Samskritam Adhyapayat. He taught Sanskrit to his wife. Who was his wife? Lakshmi Bai. Ananta Shastri Dongre Lakshmi Bai Samskritam Adhyapayat. Ananta Shastri Dongre taught Sanskrit to Lakshmi Bai. Etadartham Ramayaha Pita Samajasya Prataranam Api Asahata. Because of this, Rama's father, that is Ananta Shastri Dongre, Samajasya, society's Prataranam, misbehaveness. The people used to laugh at him. Api Asahata, he could bear the ill treatment of the society. If you see the society, if you see the history, everywhere who has gone against the social practices was made to feel ashamed in the society. People ill-treated him. Why to go? You know all the examples of Galileo. When Galileo told that it is not the geocentric, it is the sun-centric, then the church made him to go out and they have thrown him out of the church. Same thing happened when Aryabhata, such a great scholar, told Bhumihi Sthira Nasti. When he told that earth is moving, people could not believe in his theories. And all the people, so-called scholars, laughed at him. Same thing happened to Ananta Shastri Dongre. First time he taught Sanskrit to his wife, people started laughing at him that you are teaching to a woman. So that's what we always feel, that there should be a gender equality in the society. Even in the modern era, we are finding it very difficult to create such a situation for the women. Etadartham Ramayaha Pita Samajasya Prataranam Api Asahata. He could bear. Anantaram Rama Swamatuhu Samskrita Shiksham Praptavati. Later, Ramabai started studying Sanskrit from her mother. See the advantage. In Kannada we call ಹೆಣ್ಣೊಂದು ಕಲಿತರೆ ಶಾಲೆಯೊಂದು ತೆರೆದಂತೆ. If means if for all of us mother is the first teacher. Most of us learn from the mother. This is what happened in the case of Pandita Ramabai. She started studying Sanskrit from her mother. So this is the beginning of her education. Like this, Pandita Ramabai, who was born in 1858, her father was Ananta Shastri Dongre and mother was Ramabai. Ananta Shastri Dongre taught Sanskrit to his wife Lakshmi Bai, and later Lakshmi Bai taught the Sanskrit to Pandita Ramabai. Punarekavaram Sampurnam Anuchedam Patami. Ramabai Samskrita Vaidushyena Pandita Saraswati iti upadhibhyam vibhushita. Sa अष्टपञ्चाशत् अधिक अष्टादशतमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे जन्म अलभत. तस्याः पिता अनन्तशास्त्री डोंगरे, माता च लक्ष्मीबाई आस्ताम्. तस्मिन् काले स्त्री शिक्षायाः स्थितिः चिन्तनीया आसीत्. स्त्रीणां कृते संस्कृत शिक्षणं प्रायः प्रचलितं नासीत्. किन्तु पंडितः अनन्तशास्त्री डोंगरे रूढिबद्धां धारणां परित्यज्य स्वपत्नीं संस्कृतम् अध्यापयत्. एतदर्थं रमायाः पिता समाजस्य प्रतारणम् अपि असहत. अनन्तरं रमा अपि स्वमातुः संस्कृतशिक्षां प्राप्तवती. This is the lifespan of life sketch of the Pandita Ramabai. Pandita Ramabai Saraswati was an Indian social reformer. This is what we got from Wikipedia. A pioneer in education and of women education in India. She was the first woman to be accorded with the titles of Pandita as a Sanskrit scholar and Saraswati after being examined by the faculty of University of Calcutta. This is what the information from Wikipedia. Born on 23rd April 1858 at Canara. Died on 5th April 1922, Bombay Presidency. Full name is Pandita Ramabai Saraswati. Spouse Bipin Bihari. These are all the information. You can see the pictures and her family and remaining details we will read in the next class. धन्यवादाः. ध्यानेन पठन्तु, श्रद्धया पठन्तु, स्वस्थाः भवन्तु. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्.